In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off customer service notifications in the Shein app. If you're someone who uses the Shein app and finds yourself overwhelmed by notifications, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through a simple process to help you turn off those customer service notifications, making your shopping experience more streamlined and enjoyable. First, you'll need to open the Shein app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard of the app, where you can browse the latest trends and discover great deals. Next, look towards the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. There you'll find an icon labeled Me. Tap on that icon. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can manage your orders, view your wish list, and more. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a settings gear icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and tap that icon. The settings menu will appear, providing you with a variety of options to customize your app experience. As you explore the settings, you'll need to find a section called Contact Preferences. Within this section lies the option we're interested in, New Message Notifications. When you tap on Contact Preferences, you'll be directed to a new menu where these settings are located. Here's the crucial part. You will see a toggle switch next to New Message Notifications. This switch controls whether you receive notifications for new customer service messages. If the switch is currently toggled on, you'll want to tap it to toggle it off. When it's off, it means you won't be receiving any more of those notifications. And that's it! You've successfully turned off customer service notifications in the Shein app. From now on, you can enjoy a browsing experience without interruptions from notifications you may not need. This simple adjustment is part of what makes the Shein app customizable and user-friendly, giving you greater control over your notification preferences. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy shopping!